Hello all you kings and queens. Today we are talking about 7 days, one suitcase, and no regrets. So queens, if your suitcase is giving you that I packed for every emotional possibility, then we need to talk. Because if you're bringing 3 just in case outfits with you on a cruise, and you know that you're only going to be there for 7 days, and you want to take 2 pairs of heels you know you won't wear, then you're not packing, you're self-sabotaging, aren't you? And I say this with love and with a lot of experience. Because let's be honest, we don't wear half of what we pack. We pack for a fantasy version of ourselves who wake up early, we drink green juice, and we change outfits 3 times a day. That woman, she does not travel with us. You're on vacation, and you're tired, you're relaxed, and you're probably headed to the buffet or Guy's Burgers, or maybe even Shack's Chicken Shack. You know, just do the 3-2-1 rule. You know, it's kind of like the 48-hour rule, but it's a little different. Take 3 tops, 2 bottoms, and 1, I look good in this outfit. If it doesn't mix and match, it doesn't get invited. And this is not a fashion show. This is a cruise. The ocean doesn't care what we wear. And shoes, let me tell you right now, shoes is one thing that we do not need to pack a whole suitcase full. You need 1 walking shoe, 1 cute but sensible shoe, you know, that goes with all those beautiful dresses or that one dress, and 1 pair of flip-flops for the pool. And then if you plan on going in the water, in the ocean, take some water shoes. That's it. Your feet don't need character development. They're on vacation. Because if they hurt you in your room, then they are for sure going to hurt you at the port. So let's talk about layers and laundry. You know, adult wisdom. Cruise ships are either freezing or humid, no in between. So bring 1 light layer, 1 layer to go over that light layer, you know, if you get chilled at night, 1 foldable laundry bag, and a couple of foldable detergent sheets. You know, those that you toss in that'll help you wash your clothes. You don't need 7 outfits. You need a rinse and repeat mindset. So let's talk about your personal item suitcase. You know, that carry-on bag that you're going to take. This is the real star of the show. You're going to have a swimsuit. You're going to have your cover-up. You're going to have your phone charger. You're going to have your medications. You're going to have lip balm, maybe 2, and a couple of pairs of sunglasses, because you know you're going to leave 1. And you're also going to have your wallet in there, because you need that ID. Because when your suitcase is off, sightseeing without you, you know, those when they get lost in the airport, you'll still be sipping something cold and minding your own business next to the pool. So packing light isn't about being less, it's about being free. Free from dragging bags, free from outfit regret, and free from overthinking. So you've earned the ease, you've earned the comfort, and you're definitely earned a vacation that doesn't start with stress. So now go pack light and travel like the queen and king that you are.